Hi, here at GK Construction and Company, we care about our clients and we are all about helping our clients meet all the compliance requirements that are relevant to their businesses and to the laws that regulate their line of businesses. And October is here. Today is October the 1st, and the Social Health Authority is rolling out officially today. In this video, we are going to take you step by step. We're going to show you how you're going to register so that you meet that particular compliance. So let us visit the Social Health Authority website. For a business, you're required to register as an employer. So you click register for employers, and the site or the portal opens to a number of options on which you may choose to register. So if you're a new business, that means you previously have never had or have not had an account with NSSF or NHF, then you register as a new business. And then the last option is if you're a domestic employer. That means you're not necessarily a business that is local. So the first option, which we believe will apply to so many businesses or to so many employers, is the option of you're active with NHF e-services. So let us visit this. It opens up to where you're supposed to a form where you're supposed to fill your organization details. So you're required to feed your employer code or employer number that you registered under the NHF. So let's feed that real quick, and then your password, then proceed. So it opens up a page with the organization's details as they have previously been provided to the NHA, and there are areas that are yet blank that you're required to fill in. For example, contact name. You can check out all the other details that are missing. For example, you needed to upload your business incorporation certificate, your incorporation certificate, or your business registration certificate. You're also required to upload your KRA PIN certificate, and then you reset your password to activate your account. And then beyond that, then you are able to add details that are particular to your employees and their dependents, and how much the salary is to facilitate deduction and remittance. So that's the process for registering as an employer. Now, if you're an individual, you click register as an individual, click proceed. So it opens to this form where you are required to feed your ID number and a phone number. You click proceed. So an OTP will be sent to your phone number for verification, and then you provide it. Then it opens up to this page where now you can start your registration, including your employment status, whether you're employed or you're not employed. You just click appropriately. Then you confirm with your ID number and your phone number. Check the box confirming that you consent. Then you complete the process. So thank you so much and stay tuned. Thank you.